Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix a ChatGPT's account has been flagged problem. So if your account has been flagged for no reason, then you can follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys in order to fix it so you guys can start using ChatGPT again. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let's move on. First, you want to clear the cache or like the browsing cache of your, browser. So to do that, just click on the three dot at the top right corner of your browser and go on settings. And on settings, you want to go on versus privacy and security. Once you're over here where it says clear browsing data, click on it. Over here where it says clear data, click on it. Once you do that, your browsing data will be cleared. And after clearing that, try to open it. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, the next thing you can do is use VPN and connect to another country and try to access ChatGPT. So the VPN I use is Windscribe. It's a free VPN. It gives you 10 GB free data per month, and 10 GB is more than enough for you to just log in into ChatGPT. Just open this and click on location. Choose any location you want from over here. So I don't have the premium, so I can't use the starred one. So I will just click on the Chicago and it'll connect to Chicago, and then I can go to ChatGPT and use it. And even after using a VPN, if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is you can do this. Just click on your browser and search for contact ChatGPT support like this. Once you search for it, click on the first option over here. It'll take you to the contact page of ChatGPT. Over here, click on this little icon. Once you click on it, choose where it says messages and click on where it says send us a message. Once you do that, choose where it says others and wait for some time until ChatGPT staff replies. Once you get the reply, you can start talking with them like this. I got the reply, now I can talk with them and just talk with the staff saying, hey, my account got flagged for no reason. Now I can't access my account. Can you help me fix a problem? And they'll help you fix your problem. So that's how we guys can do it. Hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step, and bye bye.